I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the platform and grabbing the essentials: page ID, app key, and SDK snippet. Once done, paste the SDK near the top of your HTML so it loads first. You should decide placement now: header for visibility, sidebar for persistence, or a floating CTA for mobile. While you place the container element, make sure to give it an ID and minimal styling. This minimizes layout shifts and ensures the follow button initializes correctly when the SDK executes. You will add the follow button markup inside the container div and include platform-specific data attributes like data href, data layout, and data size. Then initialize the SDK with your app key or script tag. Check the developer console for successful init messages. If the platform offers callbacks, attach one to log follow events. Next, refine styling with CSS and media queries so the button aligns across breakpoints. By wiring attributes and SDK together, the button renders dynamic. You finish by testing the follow button across browsers, devices, and both logged in and logged out states to confirm behavior. If it fails to render, inspect console errors for CORS, mixed content, HTTP vs HTTPS, or blocked third-party scripts. Make sure the SDK script URL matches your protocol. Once resolved, add analytics tracking and accessibility attributes. If the SDK remains blocked, provide a fallback: a direct profile link styled to match your UI so users can still follow manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.